Oh no, I'm in a McAfee chat.
Ryan speculation here on YouTube. As you hear behind us, there are explosions going off in the streets of Washington, D.C., emanating from the rooftop of the FBI headquarters down on Pennsylvania Avenue. And it's very loud. And they are happening every 10 to 20 seconds. We don't know what they are. And we're gonna try to figure it out, I guess. Keep trying to figure it out. As you can see, the streets of DC are pretty quiet this time of night. But, yeah, loud explosions behind us here, or in front of us here. Yeah. Things are going off. By the way, guys, if you are just joining us, appreciate the likes and subscribes on YouTube. Please do help us out. Check our description for links to our Discord and our Duck Fund. But we are across the street here. So what is the numbered street? I'm not sure what the numbered.
So, yeah.